These crab apples are very showy. They're Eleyi crabapple, E-L-E-Y-I, Eleyi. That's their cultivar name. They're very pretty, and they have red crab apples on them that parrots like. So they're not just ornamental when they're in bloom. They have pretty ornamental red fruits that parrots like. So that's really great. My sentiments exactly. Eleyi crab apples they are. Very showy blooms. Very showy. They're certainly very pink and pretty, aren't they? They are. A bit like magnolias in a way, pink and white. This is the wonderful Eleyi crab apple. Isn't it beautiful? And it attracts parrots as well. Wonderful. Pink, pretty and pink. This is another sort of crab apple. It's very pretty, isn't it? I don't know what its name is, but it's very beautiful. It has little red fruits too. So beautiful flowers in spring, and in late summer to autumn you're going to get fruits that attract parrots. Gorgeous flowers. Very pretty little thing. And as with the Eleyi crab apples, the buds open red first before they turn pink and then whitish. So they're very colourful. Red lights up a garden. It does. There's a combination of red buds and pink to white blossoms. Both these sorts of crab apples have reddish leaves as well. Bit of red in the leaves, which makes them interesting garden ornamental as well. Bit of red leaves are nice in a garden. Reddish leaves are nice. They are. Of course, there are a whole range of crabapple trees. You can get them with all sorts of different flowers and different shades of pink, and you can get them with red fruits or yellow fruits. So there's one with yellow fruits called Golden Hornet. That's a nice crabapple tree too. It's got pretty blossoms. Then there's one called Gorgeous, which has bright red apples, I think. So I think parrots can see bright red. So that will help, but they will eat yellow fruits as well. They can find yellow fruits. If you like parrots and crab apples, you should think about growing crab apple trees. They're not like native trees that will catch on fire either. So that's something. Gorgeous colours. Gorgeous pinks and whites. Lovely. Fantastic.